Hello everyone, this video is regarding General Science MCQs. This is the part 4 of the video. Further parts have been uploaded already and the MCQs are relevant for all the government exams. So let's start the video. Question number 1. A form of condensation that reduces visibility and causes breathing problem is. Options are option A dew, option B frost, option C smog or option D mist. So the correct option is option C, that is smog. So smog is the form of condensation that reduces visibility and also causes breathing problem. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 2. Chickenpox is caused by. Options are option A DNA virus, option B Virola virus, option C Streptococcus or option D Vibrio cholera. So chickenpox is caused by, the correct option is option A, that is DNA virus. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 3. The hydraulic brakes in automobile is a direct application of. Options are option A Archimedes principle, option B Pascal's law, option C Torricellian law or option D Bernoulli's theorem. So hydraulic brakes which are used in automobiles is a direct application of. The correct option is option B, that is Pascal law. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 4. Which of the following can be used to shield an instrument from outside magnetic effects? Options are option A iron shield, option B rubber shield, option C brass shield or option D glass shield. So the shield which can be used as an instrument from to protect it from outside magnetic effect is, the correct option is option A, that is iron shield. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 5. During respiration, the gases enter into the blood and leave the same by which process? Options are option A active transport, option B diffusion, option C osmosis or option D diffusion and active transport. So the process by which the blood enters, the gases enters into the blood and it leave the same is through diffusion. So B is the correct option, that is diffusion. Now let's move to question number 6. The food chain of the ecosystem is maintained by the activities of. Options are option A decomposers, option B predators, option C producers or option D consumers. So the food chain of the ecosystem is maintained by, the correct option is option A, that is decomposers. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 7. The stains of rust on clothes can be removed by. Options are option A oxalic acid, option B H2O2, option C alcohol or option D petrol. So the stains of rust on clothes can be removed by, the correct option is option A, that is oxalic acid. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 8. Transboundary pollution or acid rain is caused by. Options are option A nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide, option B carbon monoxide, option C carbon dioxide or option D hydrocarbons. So transboundary pollution or acid rain is caused by, the correct option is option A, that is nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 9. The antiseptic compound present in Dettol is. Options are option A iodine, option B biothenol, option C cresol or option D chlorogenol. So the correct option will be option number D, that is chlorogenol. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 10. A good conductor while carrying current is options are option A negatively charged, option B positively charged, option C electrically charged or option D alternately charged positive and negative. So a good conductor while carrying current is, the correct option is option C, that is electrically charged. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 11. In radio communication, the signal emitted by transmitting antenna are reflected on. Options are option A stratosphere, option B ozonosphere, option C ionosphere, or option D troposphere. So in radio communication, the signal emitted by the antenna are reflected on. The correct option is option C, that is ionosphere. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 12. What is the normal blood volume in an human adult? Options are option A 1 liter, option B 3 liters, option C 5 liters, or option D 7 liters. So in a normal human adult, the volume of blood is, the correct option is option C, that is 5 liters. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 13. In nuclear reaction, there is a conversion of, options are option A mass only, option B momentum only, option C energy only, or option D mass, energy and momentum. So in a nuclear reaction, there is a conversion of energy only. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 14. How do most insects respirate? Let's look into the options. Option A skin, option B gills, option C tracheal system, or option D lungs. So most of the insects respirate through. The correct option is option C, that is tracheal system. So it is because of tracheal system most of the insects respirate. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 15. A colloidal solution in which liquid is dispersed in a liquid is called, options are option A gel, option B emulsion, option C solution, or option D precipitate. So a colloidal solution in which liquid is dispersed in a liquid is called, the correct option is option B, that is emulsion. So B is the correct option. This question was asked in SSC CGL exam. So the correct option will be option B, that is emulsion. Now let's move to question number 16. The poisoning caused by bullet shot is because of, options are option A lead, option B mercury, option C iron, or option D arsenic. So the poisoning caused by bullet shot is because of, the correct option is option A, that is it is because of lead. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 17. Which type of mirror is used in a view finding mirror of a vehicle? Options are option A concave mirror, option B convex mirror, option C plane mirror, or option D paraboloidal mirror. So the type of mirror which is used in the rear view mirror of a vehicle is, the correct option is option B, that is convex mirror. So convex mirror is used in the view finding mirror. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 18. Photosynthetic vesicle found in bacteria is called, options are option A mesosome, option B chromatophore, option C xenophore, or option D pneumatophore. So the photosynthetic vesicle found in bacteria is called, the correct option is option B, that is chromatophore. So B is the correct option. And this question was also asked in SSC CGL exam. So the correct option will be option B. Now let's move to question number 19. Acceptable noise pollution in India range between, options are option A 10 to 15 decimal, option B 16 to 35 decimal, option C 40 to 45 decimal, or option D 70 to 100 decimal. So the correct option will be option number C, that is 40 to 45 decibel. So the acceptable noise pollution in India as per Central Pollution Control Board is 40 to 45 decibel. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 20. UV rays can be used in water treatment as, options are option A hydrolyzer, option B disinfectant, option C folliculator, or option D precipitator. So UV rays can be used in water treatment and it can be used as a disinfectant. So B is the correct option, that is disinfectant. Now let's move to question number 21. In human body, which of the following hormones regulates blood calcium and phosphate? Options are option A glucagon, option B growth hormone, option C parathyroid hormone, or option D thyroxine. So in human body, the hormones which regulates blood calcium and phosphate is, the correct option is option C, that is parathyroid hormone. So C is the correct option. Come to the last question of this video, question number 22. Lungs are located in, options are option A abdominal cavity, option B pericardial cavity, option C peritoneal cavity, or option D pleural cavity. So lungs are located in, the correct option is option D, that is it is located in pleural cavity. So D is the correct option. So I hope that you have liked the questions. Do subscribe our channel and please press the like button. Thank you.